my channel. My name is Miesha and I'm back with another video. Today's video is going to be very interesting because I'm going to show you guys multiple different styles you can do with the headband wig. If you are new to my channel, hey boo, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, what's good, what's poppin', sis? I did create some bomb and easy hairstyles with this headband wig. If you guys are interested in seeing all of those styles, go ahead and keep on watching. that completes this video, y'all. This was the last hairstyle. I hope you guys liked it. Comment down below and let me know what was your favorite hairstyle and which one would you try to redo. The hairstyles were so easy to create and they came out so bomb. I can't wait to recreate some of those styles as well as some more. I could have kept going with the styles, but I didn't want this video to be too long. Follow me on my social media. My Snapchat is Queen-Isha with 2 A's. My Instagram and also my Twitter is MieshaLeve_. Stay tuned for my next video. Make sure you have your post notification bell on so you can be notified once I upload new videos. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.